Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I've been working at creating my perfect coffee bar setup, so I wanted to have a really cute coffee menu. This is by Pintree, and I love this menu. It has everything that you need to be able to create any coffee combination that you want. This coffee sign is a 12 by 16 size, and it's made out of a fine particle board. It comes with a rope that you can use to hang it up, or 4 holes, which I really prefer because then I feel like it's nice and indiscreet on the wall. It has recipes for about 40 different types of coffee. So if you've been wondering how to make that perfect one, you have everything that you need here. It has vibrant colors, the writing is really clear and easy to see, and I really love that it shows the exact measurements on all of the cups as well. If you want to add a little coffee flair to either your kitchen or to your coffee bar, then you need to have a nice menu. That way you always will have all the perfect recipes available. And that's my point of view.